Hello, good morning everyone. Thank you for joining me again on this channel. This is Market Formula. I would like to remind you that price moves in swings. An uptrend is formed when there is a higher high and a higher low, and a downtrend is formed when there is a lower low and a lower high. So let's quickly check the performance of equities on the Nigerian stock market last week. Let's see what the possibilities are in this new week. So let's quickly check the index. So looking at the index last week, we can see that the index gained, and we have a little retracement on this candle, but we are still open and watching out for the major resistance at 56,000 thereabout for a price reaction. Anyway, you can see that the momentum is still intact, and hopefully this week the market will hit this level. So let's just quickly run through the recommendations by the trading view platform and see where the opportunities are this new week. So this is strong buy. We have 4 stocks under strong buy. Let me check for buy opportunities. We have 59 stocks. So I will quickly run through the strong buy, then I'll now check and see how many I can take in the buy opportunity. Under strong buy, we have Transcorp. Okay, like I said last week, that the market is going to fill this space back, and you can see the market is almost filling this retracement back. Looking at the momentum is still intact. We are facing this level 1.42 kobo, so that's our target, our immediate target. So if market breaks this level, and you remember this is a zone, looking at it from here is a previous resistance, then we have another previous resistance. That's why price went into it, dragged the orders in that zone and came back here, and I knew it's going back up. Looking at the momentum, that the momentum is still intact. So this is another level that the price is going to test. So in the immediate term, you take your profit here, take partial profit here, but from the look of things, from what I'm looking at, let me check the monthly. The price might likely get to this level. That's 1.56 kobo. All right, let's check the other one. We have Mansard 2. Yes, this is a good opportunity to buy. I think this is still fresh, so if you are thinking of buying, if you get it at 1.94 kobo, 1.94 kobo, 2 naira zone, this zone from here to here is a good place to enter. So if you get it, pick it, then for your immediate profit at 2 naira 28 kobo. And if market breaks this level, then we are going to 2 naira 50 kobo level. Look at the momentum. The momentum failed, and immediately it picked up. I believe strongly in this stock, and this is Asa Mansard. So let's look at NGS Group. Okay, NGS Group, you see this level. If you want to buy this stock, come and buy at 25 naira, 26 naira. That's the low of last week. That's the safest price I like to enter, the low of last week. You can see this channel, this ascending channel. Price has already okay, might go for a retest. So if you can get it at this level, you can take your profit at 30 naira for NGS Group. Then we have Transnationwide Express. So this one, let me remove. Okay, if you can get entry at 81 kobo, is good price for is a good opportunity for entry. Then take it back to 89 kobo. Okay, that's all for strong buy. Let me quickly run through the buy opportunities, and that will be the end of this week episode. So let me look at Boa Cement. Boa Cement. Wow, price is still below a resistance. So for entries, I would rather wait for a pullback in this stock. I don't think that's a good level to enter. Zenith Bank. Okay, Zenith Bank tested this 26 naira 93 kobo and formed a rejection. So if you want to enter Zenith Bank, I would rather prefer you come and enter at 23 naira zone. That's a very good level to enter, but in the meantime, if you can still get it at 25 naira 40 kobo, price will still react to this level and who says might go back to 27 naira. But from what I'm looking at, let me check the monthly. You see what is happening on the monthly chart. So I don't think if I want to buy, I would rather come and buy at, let's say, 23 naira thereabouts. And by the way, let me say this, that this video is just for educational purposes, not an investment advice. Thank you. So Fidelity. Oh, Fidelity is good. So if you can get Fidelity at 4 naira 90 kobo, 5 naira, for a profit target at 6 naira 23 kobo. Dangote Cement. You can see that's a rejection at that level, and last week was a red candle this is a break of a major resistance. Price is facing down. Let me check the monthly. Okay, it's still going up anyway, so we only have to find entry. Entry would have been good at 17 naira 50 kobo. GTCO. Okay, GTCO, if you can get GTCO at 25 naira 50 kobo as a good entry. Okay, so in the case of this, if you can get entry at 42 kobo, we are below the trend line. This is my trend line. That is what I use for trend. So for us to be below here, so if we get it at 42 kobo is good until price clears this pivot at 48 naira. We cannot project higher, so because this pivot is a major zone, is a major level that prevents price from either going up or coming down. Wando. Okay, Wando, good one. If you get Wando at 4 naira 13 kobo, can take your profit at 5 naira 48 kobo. Let's look at Stanbic. This stock is not coming down. Look at this gap, and markets formed a bullish candle. Then last week was a red bearish candle with a rejection, telling you that this level is strong. So if you get it at 37 naira 84 kobo. ICO. This is my stock. I'm not sure I've been able to get this stock to buy, but I'm looking at, I'm looking at 59 kobo entry. Then I can take my profit at 76 kobo. Okay, WAPCO. You get your entry at 24 naira. It's good. Okay, this one too is good. You can get your entry at 4 naira 55 kobo. QTix. Okay, for QTix, it's still below. Okay, if you get QTix at 2 naira level, if this level failed, then we come and average down at 1 naira 80 kobo. From what I'm looking at, is struggling above this trend line, downward trend line, and this major pivot. So if it's able to clear this level, then it will go to test the channel high. So if the channel high is broken, then we go to 2 naira 67 kobo zone. Total, all right, price has stayed in on a spot for long. So in this kind of stock, I don't really like entering it until maybe if you have a pullback to 209, then it's a good entry at 209. Okay, so this one, Unilever, if you get it at 12 naira 12 kobo, that's a good entry. Flour mill, if you can get flour mill at 31 naira 25 kobo. PZ, you can get PZ at 9 naira 96 kobo. Let me take two more. So Guinness at entry is good, but if you can get it at current price is good. If you can get it at 60 naira is okay, then that's a better entry. All right, NASCON, where's the pivot? Okay, it has just broken the pivot. So if you get it at 11 naira 62 kobo, Transcorp. Okay, this has been staying on a spot for long. Let me see. Okay, it has been on a spot for long. If you must enter this stock, then your entry can be around 6 naira 30 kobo. Okay, that is where we call it a day. So until next week when we meet for another analysis, I wish you all a profitable week. Bye.